in a couple of minutes, I'm going to be driving through the forest that takes us to Flagler Beach. So, yeah, that's what you're going to be seeing on here. Hold on a second. I got beeped behind because I'm waiting on my husband to get out of Publix because I forgot to bring a utensil to make our sandwiches at the beach. So he's running into Publix to grab that. So anyway, yes, we got a late start this morning, headed to Flagler Beach. It's right now, it's about 12:16. We did some cleaning around the house, kind of tidied up a little bit so it would be nice and tidy. Because yesterday, my daughter and I spent the day together shopping and lunch and stuff like that, so that, because last weekend was Mother's Day weekend and I didn't do anything special for her, but I wanted to do something yesterday. I told her, I said, we're gonna do a pedicure, do some shopping, and then after all that was done, we went to her place and I did the swimsuit cover-up accessory haul, and that video will be coming soon. But anyway, so yeah, my husband and I are headed to the beach, and here he comes now. I'm gonna stop this video and we're gonna turn it around and do it through the forest.